guys, welcome back to another video. The house isn't too bad today, so not really doing a clean with me, but something that is something I've been wanting to tackle for a while is our pantry. It is a disaster. So I hope you can get some motivation, and if your pantry needs organized as badly as mine does, hopefully you get some motivation out of this, and hopefully you will clean your pantry out with me and help organize. So let me know what you think of this video down below, and if you're new, please subscribe and join my little YouTube family. I would love to have you here. We do a lot of cleaning in this video, but or in all my videos, but if you would like to see other things on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to get new ideas for what I can do, because I want to have us all get to know each other. So let me know actually down below if you would like a Q&A. I'm thinking about doing that next, but again, let me know in the comments down below. So let's get on into the video. And this right here is the mess we are dealing with. Everything is just packed in there. Half the time I can't find stuff. So yeah, I'm hoping we can clean this out, make it a little bit more organized on my pots and pans, just on the bottom. But yeah, hopefully we can get this a little bit more organized. I know it's not going to be perfect, but at least to where I can find stuff and not digging around forever. So let's get to it.
Trouble in sight, beating hearts don't lie, an empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag, decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag, decision is made, lock your door, need no more, it's already paid, cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be I cannot go wrong.
Alright, and this is everything that we are dealing with in the pantry.
Journey for life, and it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. A journey for life.
Just wanted to show you this blast from the past. I used to love these as a kid. Let me know down below if you did too.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. The bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I try to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's I'm faithful like a blind girl's faithful like a blind girl's dog. We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew. I knew you thought it was an old flame, but I told you it's not, so let it go. It go. I try to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So why, oh why do you still flee when you are all that I want? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's I'm faithful like a blind girl's
Alright, and this is the finished project. I hope this gave you guys a bunch of cleaning motivation. And if this is your first time here, again, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join our little YouTube family. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!
any disputes with you once and for all. Just tell me how I can set you free.